Please state your name and tell us where you're from.
My name is Kyle, KB Elbert. I'm from Springfield, Illinois.
Wow. And you drove in, huh?
9 straight hours.
9 straight hours. Was it worth it?
It was very much well worth it. I'd do it again.
That's awesome to hear, man. So you were here all 3 days. Friday was the business and marketing day. What did you think of the training that day?
It was put together very well, but simple for people who might have a hard time keeping up or understanding the literature side of business. Everything was detailed in the books, in case you got to go back.
And you got the manual too.
All of that stuff.
Excellent.
All of it.
Thank you. What did you think of Saturday? That was the contact wash, the exterior paint correction and polishing, and the ceramic coating training.
I definitely appreciated the contact wash and everything. The hands-on experience was the icing on the cake for me. The booklet held everything that I needed to know inside of it, but the hands-on experience next to guys who knew what they were doing meant the world.
Perfect. What about today, the interior training and interior coating training?
Very satisfying to do the inside of the car. You get to see a lot of the dirt come up.
Used all the professional equipment?
All the equipment that I didn't know that I needed, the knowledge that I gained today and yesterday, all 3 days actually was
awesome. How'd the trainers do all weekend?
Gosh, the trainers were amazing, man. I've trained for 15 years. Everybody at my previous 2 jobs I've trained. I know it takes a lot of personality, a lot of patience, a lot of compassion to do what they do, and I definitely appreciate Cole, Chase, and Chris today.
The 3 C's.
The 3 C's.
Excellent, man. Congratulations. You are now Detail Czar certified.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you.